Hello, welcome to the course intro video for English 307 online. My name is Casey Phifer-Byrne and I will be your instructor for this class. You can call me Casey. I'm a lecturer at the University of Arizona and I teach intro writing classes and professional and technical writing classes. I teach all kinds of writing classes. And right now I teach them exclusively online. So if you're new to online courses, I'm hoping that this video will help you with a smooth orientation to the course. I'm going to show you our Google Drive and I'm going to show you our D2L site, and those are the two main platforms that we'll be working with for this course. So when you log into our D2L site, this is what you see, what I have on my screen here. You'll notice there's a link to a shared Google Drive folder up here, and there's an announcements, and there are navigation links right there. Those are the three most important things. Every time you log in, check this announcements section. Mine's blank on the screen, but you'll see this video in it. Check this announcements section every time you log in for information about grading, about assignments. If I make an instructional video, it will always be here. So check on that. Make note of the shared Google Drive folder as well. I'll show you that in just a minute, but first I want to show you our course calendar. If you click on content, it'll take you to this screen, or maybe it will take you to the Start Here screen. Either way, it will take you to the content. When you first log in to begin your assignments, you click on Start Here, and you'll work on the check-in, and then you'll work on due date 1, and then you'll enter module 1 and click through the due dates that way, and you can look at the projects this way too. But what I want to show you first is the course calendar. This is a map of all of our due dates. You'll notice there's a course check-in that says complete at start. That's not a graded assignment. It's just something that I need for you to show me that you figured out how to work through the course and that you're in it and you're here and you're going to be in the course. And then you'll see the due dates under here. So we have 2 due dates per week. Almost every week in this class, there's 1 week that we have 3 due dates, and that's the last week. So at 11:59 p.m., so just the end of the day, that's just there because if I say midnight, then it's not clear whether I'm talking about, the Tuesday or the Wednesday or something like that. But you'll notice that the deadlines are almost always on Tuesdays and Fridays. I'm hoping that we won't run into any trouble with D2L scheduled maintenance on Fridays. Sometimes that's a problem. If it is, then I might change it to another day, but let's just hope that it's not a problem. Okay, so you can look through this as necessary, but you'll notice that they're just about always Tuesdays and Fridays. We have two due dates a week in order to squeeze in the right number of due dates into 7 weeks. We have 15 due dates in 7 weeks, so there's going to be 1 uneven week, and that's at the end. So that is pretty much it for the course calendar. If you click on course schedule, you will actually not find anything. It will be blank. The reason for that is that it's a feature that D2L includes in there, but we don't like to use it in the writing program if we can avoid it. Some of your instructors in the writing program might use it, but we like to avoid it because we like to have all of the deadlines here in the course calendar. This is the only place in the course you'll find deadlines so that there can't possibly be any discrepancies. These are subject to change. They probably won't, but if necessary, I might have to change them, and if that happens, I'll let you know. So I want to show you how to work through our Google Drive folder. If you click on Shared Google Drive folder, you will find this folder. This is where it will take you. We have our syllabus in here, project prompts, student websites. There might be a few more folders at the time that you have access to this, but right now, as I'm creating the course, this is what we've got here. I'm going to show you, this is where you'll find the syllabus and project prompts, and I want to show you how to leave comments on them really quickly. I really like the commenting feature because it allows you to ask questions and me to answer them right there on the syllabus so that if anyone else has a similar question, they can see it there too. So I'll show you how to do that really quick. Okay. So if I want to ask a question about something, click on comment, highlight it, click comments, comment. This is a comment. You'll probably see that. Okay, so you can ask a question here and then I can reply to it. I don't usually click resolve when I resolve a question, and I encourage you not to either. Just because if someone else has the same question, I like to leave it open there so that everyone can see that question and have it answered. So this is a basic navigation of Google Drive for our class, and also for D2L. So if you have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to email me and ask those questions. I do respond to emails always within 48 hours, usually faster than that, but that's kind of my reserved time is 48 hours. Don't necessarily ask a question that needs an urgent answer before then. I check emails once a day. It's usually in the morning, but it could vary. I have a huge tip to really stay on top of your deadlines for this class and continue logging in frequently and checking the announcements, because in an accelerated course like the 7-week course, things move really fast and deadlines can get on top of you, work can get on top of you, especially because we do have a group project that's coming up for project 2. So you want to stay on top of all of this stuff. And if you have any questions about due dates or deadlines, also send me an email. I'm really looking forward to the course and to getting to know all of you through your writing and especially through your job materials. I know that we have some really interesting majors, and I've heard from a few of you already by email that we have some really interesting backgrounds. So it's going to be fun. We're going to have a great time. We're going to get through it together. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.